everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into limit upload file size in CRM form. So, glad you see it, hit that like button and let's get started. Limit upload file size in CRM form. In Bitrix24, we can create a CRM form with a special field for file upload. For example, if you have a private bakery or anything, you can place a CRM form on your website for clients to upload their design, cake designs or anything any of your companies represent. Once they submit the form, the data is saved to CRM. Files uploaded by clients are stored in Bitrix Drive. The total online storage available depends on your plan. To prevent your drive form filling up, you can limit the file upload file size in CRM form. Here is how we can add like that. This is the file should be attached. Open the CRM form setting. Click on the pencil icon next to your file type size. Here you can see. The default maximum upload file is 100,000 MB. You can adjust or remove this limit here. You can also change the daily limits for the total size of files submitted from all CRM forms. If the limit is extended, file will not be blocked. Here we can add like this. When the limit is nearly reached, a warning message will appear. You can adjust the daily limit at any time and save this one. This is all about the limit upload file size in CRM form. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.